How's it going, guys? Back again for another video. We're going to the Black Boy Classic car show today, so yeah, gotta go pick up Jordan and then we will be on the way. So just waiting for Jordan and we'll be on the way. It's not the normal Jordan either, it's my computer friend Jordan. Computer whiz. That's not. Yes, it is.
Vauxhall Carlton Pistons.
Real. Is there any problem when... Ooh, 2 balls.
He'd hand painted, it was a decorator by trade, he'd hand painted the roof. It was green, it was almond green, hand painted the roof. I gave him 50 quid for this road, that's the back of the road, it wrecked it. But I took all the bits out, and I advertised, and I got a spare wheel, and somebody else could use it.
Good morning. You see where that telegraph pole is there? You back up against that fence.
So, I did an update when we got here. I got Jordan. It's not the other Jordan that is normally in the videos when I say I'm going to get Jordan, it's that Jordan.
Yeah, it's me.
Computer Jordan. What did you think?
It's very small, but there's some good cars, you know? Good
Favourite
classic cars. Probably that Lotus that was there at the start.
But yeah, we're going to go to Solihull, grab some computer bit. Catch you after Solihull.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Okay, so we went and brought stuff. This was the 2 original things that I was meant to get. Mouse mat, you know, usual. And then some Wi-Fi thing. Yeah, explain.
It's a power line adapter so that you can use, well, the power line instead of Wi-Fi.
There you go. So that was that. That's what we originally went to get. And then we ended up getting 2 bags full of stuff, which you can't see. There you go. So we ended up getting 2 bags of stuff. And we'll show you what we got. So Jordan convinced me to get water cooling. Jordan?
Yeah.
Do you have a reasonable explanation for what you made me do?
You can put a pretty sizable overclock on your CPU if you water cool it. So I thought, hey, you've got the money, so why not?
Okay then. And then we brought some stuff for that. And some LEDs. What else did we buy? So we've got more than that. Okay, we didn't get any more than that, but we still got 2 bags full. So yeah, now we've got to go and install it all. Yes?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right then.
What have you done, Jordan?
I have made your computer extremely quick via the internet.
Focus. Go on, focus. It's not going to focus. God damn it. Give me a second. Okay, there we go.
Jordan? Hello?
Pretty much. Jordan's made my internet fast. Now we're going to do water cooling and fancy stuff with my computer and get fancy lights and other stuffs. And it's really dark again. What are you going to do, Jordan?
I'm going to water cool your computer. Which sounds like fun.
Ooh, look at them fans. They fancy, boy. They fancy. So yeah, unboxing stuff. The 2 fans. And then all of the water cooling good stuff. It's going to be really cool. So we got the computer pretty much completely stripped down. We're just going to start trying to mount fans and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. There you go, that's the inside of my computer. Yeah, we'll catch you when we've mounted it. Yes?
Yeah.
Cool. So we got them on. Looking fresh. Ah, wrong side. Looking nice. Jordan, you did a good job.
Very proud.
You're a good person.
You might have noticed that the day is, well, it's dwindled a bit. It took us about 3 hours in total.
No, it hasn't been that long. It's been about 2.
Yeah, 2 and a bit. But
So we went to the car show, and then we went to Solihull to get the bits. And now we're doing this from what? We started the day at 10.
yeah, it's about 1 o'clock when we got back.
Yeah, what time is it now? Ah, yeah, come on. Ah,
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. So we're not doing too bad.
Yeah.
Oh well, carry on. Right, so it's running, it's working. We got some fancy lights going on in here. Water cooling. It's very nice, that's just gone really blurred, but oh well. Jordan,
Hello.
so opinions on how it all went?
It all went really smoothly. To be honest, this probably the smoothest it's ever gone with computers and myself. Because usually I mess up quite a bit and then people get really worried that I've broken their computers, but usually it's just a silly mistake of like not plugging something in or forgetting the motherboard connector or something. But yeah, it went really smoothly. Like, you know when I forgot the front panel connectors? Yeah, I would have done something like that and then your computer wouldn't have switched on when you press the button.
So yeah, altogether, all in all.
Extremely smooth, really happy with how it came out, and well, it's silent. And we just played some games, and the
It's running
internet,
very, very nicely.
the internet is extremely smooth. So
So a win for today. Yeah, boy. Right, dropping Jordan home, then I'm playing some games later, so
we'll be playing.
we'll be playing some games later. Yes.
After I install this one.
And you will see it, because I am making gaming videos again. Yeah. Finally.
Woo!
Oh yeah, I gave them 3 parts.
Free Wi-Fi card. So
Right.
now I can have onboard Wi-Fi instead of trashy.
External stuff.
Yeah. So good parts. Good parts.
Yes. Right, catch you in a bit.